As always, thank you for choosing my channel, and in this video I will show you how to change a decimal to a percent and work through examples. To change a decimal to a percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. Let's take a look at our first example. 0.75 is equal to 75%. So our decimal point is here, and we're going to move from 2 places. It becomes 75%. 0.3478 is equal to 34.78%. 0.25 is equal to 25%. And that's all there is to it. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest video. Thank you.